happy Thursday. Welcome to my channel. My name is Metria Nikole and I am a mom of 2 who works full-time, and I also make videos on home decor, cleaning, and organization. So if you're interested, continue to watch. Okay, so in today's video, I'm just going to be running some morning errands, cleaning out my refrigerator, and organizing underneath my kitchen sink. So I'm currently in Publix and just getting a few things to get through the next few days. I also ended up finding some Scrub Daddy products in here, and I noticed that they were the same price as Target. And since Target was further out, I didn't feel like driving further. I decided to go ahead and get them out of Publix. I'm definitely trying the Power Paste by Scrub Daddy, getting some new sponges as well, and seeing what else I can grab before checking out. So I ended up trying to make my way to Walgreens to get something from here. Unfortunately, their pharmacy department was not open. I didn't realize they didn't open until 10, so I'm just heading on to my next destination. I ended up coming to Family Dollar looking for some color markers for my daughters, and while I was in here I decided to take a look at some cleaning products. I'm giving these Lysol products a try just to see how they work for me. I do like Lysol. It gives a nice suds. I'm all about suds, but also making sure it's a cleaning product. And one of my daughters, she doesn't like strong smells when I clean in the kitchen, so I'm trying to get something that's a little bit more milder. So I'm getting ready to show you how I clean my fruit. I've been doing this for a long time and have not had an issue. I just use dish soap to clean our fruit. I put everything in the sink. I fill it up with some hot water and a little bit of dish soap, and I let it sit for maybe about 5 minutes, and I'll just rinse it all off. I also include like my bag of lettuce, just to make sure there's nothing like on it from insects or flies. And I'm just, after 5 minutes of letting it soak, I just rinse everything off, lay it on a kitchen counter with a towel, and let it air dry. And again, I've never had an issue, but this just prevents any fruit flies. Maybe one day I'll try that special spray. I did try like baking soda, and I think I might have added vinegar. I did not care for that. I know it's very popular on social media. However, I'm just sticking what works for me. Okay, so on this day, I am cleaning out my refrigerator. I definitely try to do it on days right before trash day. So tomorrow's actually trash day. So if I'm throwing out anything, they're not sitting in my trash can for days at a time. I am tossing out some things, some old leftovers, any like there's some old milk, juice, or anything that I know we haven't eaten and probably are not going to eat. Any expired fruits or veggies, I go ahead and toss that out. That's why I do try to do my grocery shopping every week, so it's not too many things that I'm throwing in the trash. And I'm also throwing out some condiments that only have like a little bit of, a little bit of dressing left or ketchup. I go ahead and toss that out. I don't try to save anything. And I'm pretty much going to be using one of the new sprays that I got, the Lysol spray, to clean everything out and wipe it down. guys, I'm just using Ziploc bags to house our fruit and vegetables. I do want to get those cute little acrylic bins. However, I want to take the time to think about how I want to organize my refrigerator versus spending money right now. And in the meantime, I just use the Ziploc bags, and it helps my daughters visually see like what fruits and stuff we do have available, and they're more prone to eat them. So I slowed the Scrub Daddy down so you guys can see it. So when the sponge is warm or hot, it's supposed to feel soft, and when the sponge is cold, it's a firmer texture. One thing I can say about this is that it's a double texture. And I'm now using this scrub paste on my stovetop, which I actually love. I felt like it really did get it clean. It didn't leave any scratches, because that was one thing I was coming across. So I'll definitely be keeping that around. And I also used it for the bottom of my refrigerator. So if anyone's looking for an alternative for your stovetop, definitely check out Scrub Daddy. Okay guys, so I'm just in the process of decluttering out underneath my kitchen sink. I do plan to probably eventually get a new cabinet liner. I haven't decided yet. And I'm just going to be sorting through all my products. Some things I'm tossing out, some things I'm keeping. I feel at this point, if I haven't used it since I've moved in, really, I am going to toss it out. And I ended up getting these kitchen shelves to put underneath my kitchen sink, and I'm just doing the unboxing, and I could actually link these in the description box. Very simple put together. I feel like the quality was nice. One thing I liked about them, I was looking for something that had a liner, a solid liner on the shelf, versus not having a liner and where items can fall through the holes. And this one had pretty good reviews. It has some little suction cups that you can put on the bottom. It also has like a double-sided tape that you can put on the bottom as well. I don't plan on using the double-sided tape, only because I'm just renting, and I don't need any issues with upon me moving out. However, if I get some cabinet liners, I probably will use the double-sided tape. I would say that again, these were good quality, but when I go ahead and layer products on the bottom shelf, it's kind of maybe I would say a little bit wobbly, and I don't know if it's just because of the weight of the product and them just only having the suction the suction cups on there. Now I was planning to use my Dyson to kind of suck up the rest, and it ended up dying on me. And I love the Dyson, however the charge is not the best, so I may have to look into a different one. I haven't decided. And I'm throwing out some Dollar Tree products that I had. I think when you're on social media, you see all these different hacks and stuff. Some products just don't work, and I don't plan on keeping it. That's my garbage disposal cleaner. I love that one. I've gotten it from Home Depot. So I'm just trying to play around with what I want to do, where I want to put everything. I ended up deciding to put everything on the left are my go-tos, like the dish detergent, the spray to wipe the counters down, items to clean the sink. I put all of that on the left, and everything on the right are kind of miscellaneous items, things I don't use every day, but I'll use them maybe once a week or once every 2 weeks. I did think about getting a circular Lazy Susie for the middle, but I'm not sure yet. So again, if you have made it through this video, thank you so much for your support. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.